Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day 11 of our 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy. And so for day 11, let's look, day 11, here we go. So day 11, look at the packaging, is so beautiful. Is this like a double package? I love all the sewing. If you guys haven't heard me say that before, if you're following along, like, she's sewed on almost everything. And so every day I keep saying, I love the sewing. So back with my fancy scissors so I can cut the top so I can reuse it. I really love the paper she's used, all of it. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. Oh, look at this. Oh, clear stamps, has cactus and pineapple, my two favorite things. Oh, thank you so much. Boss lady, squad, fries before guys, flamingo, ooh la la. Yeah, so this is good for your planner, more cacti. Thank you so much. And then, do you think it's like stiff? So I'm gonna, I think there's something there. I'm gonna try to cut it open. But let me move this number a little bit out. Well, I guess I could cut the bottom. Oh, boy. Yeah, this is just gonna get messed up. I'm not gonna probably be able to reuse this, but I am gonna be able to use some of the pieces of the paper. So, if that's, then I'll just cut the bottom, since it doesn't want to work with me. There we go. Okay, maybe there was nothing. There is. More stamps. Woohoo! So thank you. How cute are these? Sweater weather, falling for you. Sorry about the glare. Look at the maple leaves and some other type of leaf. Acorn, the owl. Autumn is my favorite color. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Secret Santa. So this was day 11. Thank you for joining me today for more videos like this. See here. Please like and subscribe and consider sharing this video. And until my next video, shakas.